This is a very simple one-day school project. It was done in one evening. The materials we used were chipboard, chenille stems, zip ties, army men, green felt, hot glue, and masking tape. Drawing out 2 rectangles of a small size and then 2 larger rectangles with, of course, the crown on the top of the Alamo, which my daughter freehanded that top part. She cut them out with scissors, and then we laid them flat in a row with the printed side up. Using brown masking tape, we taped each joint together, stood it up and made it into a square, and taped the last one together, and then we hot glued the outside of each joint. We took another rectangle piece of chipboard that was bigger than her building. We added a piece of felt to the front. We just cut out a narrow strip of green felt and hot glued that down, and then we hot glued her building to that flat piece so it wouldn't fall off. She then took tan colored chenille stems and made those columns in the front. We hot glued pieces of zip ties to the inside of the windows for the bars, and she hot glued army men all around. She printed out a flag, the Texas flag, on just regular paper and hot glued that to a silver chenille stem and stapled and hot glued it to the side, the inside. On the front door, she drew that with a pencil first and then went over it again with a Sharpie, and that was before she put it all together. For the windows, on a separate piece of chipboard, she cut out some small rectangles, and then she traced them out on the piece that she wanted for the front, and using an X-Acto knife, she cut those out. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your future school projects.